Today we're about to do an O2 sensor on my car again, so I might as well make a video because I didn't do it the first time. Okay, might as well make one for anybody who's trying to do it. So we're doing the easy side. We're doing the bank one sensor upstream. All right, so it's gonna be in the passenger, and let's do this. Let's get it. Oh yeah, the code I'm getting yeah, what's the code? Got the code, hold on. Yes, I'm getting a P0130 code. Alright, so it's not reading right, so it's defective. I'm gonna do it again. Let's get it. Okay, sometimes when these go bad, you get like sometimes a random misfire. Your light is flashing. The acceleration will feel weird. So that's the oxygen sensor. Well, for me. Sometimes it'll throw the code, sometimes it'll just keep flashing, but you gotta wait till, you know, it throws the code and you know which one it is. Because I didn't know which one it is, and it just threw a code today actually, and it says bank one sensor 1. So I upgraded the sensor. Now we're gonna change it. Okay, so if you have an OEM airbox, you got to take that off. I have a video on that, so take yours off. I have this, so it's gonna be two screws, two 10s, and take this off out the way. All right, so I'm gonna remove this 8 instead of the 10 on the top, and the one down here I'm gonna just take off this 10. We'll loosen it, not take it off, but loosen it. Okay, that should be good. Now don't forget this sensor. You ain't trying to rip this. You have some other problems. Okay, take this off, put this side. Now pull back on this. Okay, boom. Alright, so I'm being lazy. I'm just put it here since could just chill there. This is easy. You know what I mean? It's the sensor's right there. If you see it, if you can see, you see that right there. Now we're gonna get a socket and reach in there and twist it off pretty much. If you have this kit right here, I usually use this one right here to take them out so it doesn't strip. Sometimes when you use this one, it strips, so I just stick to this one. Okay, so this is how I put it right here. The socket, we got the step down to 3/8. We got the half inch wiggly, I call it, extendo, half inch. Another one. I'm gonna reach in there pretty much till we till we go to the O2 sensor. It's not gonna be hard to come out because I already seasoned the threads in there on the O2 sensor. Okay, so look down from here. If you look down from here, you will see the O2 sensor. Just go down there, put it on there, and we're gonna take it off. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you to unplug the O2 sensor first, so we could fit in that line in the socket, so we could go down more. Okay, for some reason mine got a little seized. I have to put some heat on it, as you see. Put some heat on it. It's burning right now. Same thing. Passenger side. This is where it's coming from. Right here. I'm gonna try and get it. Okay, my fault. I got a little busy over here. So let's continue where we started. Where we left off. So yeah, if the O2 sensor happens to be seized, make sure you heat it up. Make sure when you go down there with the socket, do not loosen it on an angle, because that's how you mess up the thread. Okay, so I took it off, as you see, right there. Took it off. Now let's put the new one on. Okay, I like using this brand Denso. Never had a problem with it. The fuse walker, which I had before this, which I didn't know they gave it to me. I didn't really read the damn box. So this is Denzo. We're gonna put this one instead, because the walker didn't even last 6 months. It lasts like maybe a month. Okay, now we're gonna take this and put it down there. Make sure there's some anti-seize on there. It comes pre-lubed, so you don't have to worry. Alright, so I'm gonna put it down there and tighten it up. Okay, so to tighten it, I'm gonna use this one to tighten it. You see how it's open? The other one we used was like this one, you see? The other one's more open. You just gotta tighten it, so it's what I choose to use. You can use the other one, but we're just gonna tighten this thing. We're not gonna do nothing crazy. Let's do that. I feel like it's going to angle when I'm tightening it, so I'm gonna just go down there and try to tighten it with this. Okay, once you tighten everything, well, the O2 sensor, let's put everything back together. I'm not gonna show that because you already know how to do that. Alright, so that is all. Once you're done, erase the code and drive it. You should be good. Helped you out, you already know. Give me a like, subscribe. Later.